Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to show lists like this post on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, join this application. Then as you see here, you are on the discover page. So for example, this post, so click on this 3 points. Then here you will find this show more like this or show list like this, so click on it. And now as you see, the feedback sent. So that's it. That's how to show lists like any post you don't want to be showed on your discover page. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.